distribute the prizes. Sir, please. Rahul Dayal, sir. Can I call Dr. Rashid Ali, sir, to come on the stage to distribute the prizes? Yes, everyone, please come. Okay, there were 3 days event going on in KC. One of the most rocking event was the rock band. There were 8 rock bands, and out of those 8 rock bands, one was the winner, and that was Silemo. I would like to call the team here on the stage. Yes, Silemo, please come on the stage. On the vocal cord was Ashutosh Pratap Singh. The lead guitar was Aditya Dangi. The guitarist was Karthik. The bass guitar was Nishit Kapoor. And drummer was Vinayak. They want to say something. They have done a great job. They have come from Galgotia, Greater Noida, and they were awesome. Please clap for them.
Hello everyone! मैं आप लोग से कुछ बोलना चाहूँगा. Sorry for the abrupt ending. I'm really sorry. और अगर आप हमें दोबारा देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ हमारा 28 फेब को एक ग्रेटर नोएडा में शो है. You can come और हमारा पूरा शो देख सकते हैं आप. By the name Courses.Ninja Carnival. I'd like to introduce my band members once again. On the drums, we have Vinayak. मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. On the lead guitar, we have Dangi. On the rhythm guitar, we have Karthik. And on the bass guitar, we have Nishit Kapoor. और on the vocals we have Ashutosh Prakash Singh, not Pratap Singh. और I am the vocalist. और thank you sir, thank you so much, thank you KEC, thank you for the so much lovely crowd. और please आप हमारे next show में आइए और do like us on Facebook by the name SELEMUKH Silamukh. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashutosh. Okay, the Googly Cricket boys, the winner team is Applied Science team, and I will request Rajneesh Verma to come on the stage. There is a cash prize of 5,100. Googly Cricket girls, the winner is Warrior Sonakshi Sethi. Should come on the stage. Volleyball match, the runner-up team is Kumar Amit. And the winner team is NIC Delhi, Bhanu.
रुपीज़ प्राइज HOD अप्लाइड साइंस की तरफ से दिया गया था, बट गर्ल्स रह गई थी, तो वो प्राइज उनको 500 रुपीज़ आज दिया जा रहा है। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. The runner-up of volleyball match is Kumar Amit. The winner is the NIC Delhi team, Bhanu Dikshit. Just please give them a big round of applause. The basketball match, the runner-up is Aijal Ghaziabad. Pankaj Kumar Singh is the captain. Winner of basketball match is NIU Noida International. Shahrukh Siddiqui is the captain. This is the winner team, NIU Noida. Shahrukh Siddiqui is the captain. Next is tug of war girls. The winner team is Pooja Singhal. Tug of war girls team, the winner is Pooja Singhal. Please clap for them. Tug of war boys. Tug of war boys, the winner team out of 24 teams. ME second year and the captain is Saurav Rana. For Kabaddi match, there were 8 teams. Out of them, the winner is Nitin Dikshit and their team. In the bag race, boys category, girls. The runner-up is Shrishti Tyagi, IT second year. And the winner is Parul Singh, CS first year. In badminton single boys, the runner-up is Tushadra Saxena, who got a cash prize of 500. And Vishal Rana is the winner, CS second year. He also got a cash prize. Badminton single girls, runner-up is Hina Arora. And winner is Rashmi Singh. They also got a cash prize. Single, the girls category, runner-up is Hina Arora and winner is Rashmi Singh. Badminton double boys category, runner-up is Praful Kumar, CS third year, and winner is Shalabh, CS third year. Badminton double boys, runner-up is Praful Kumar and winner is Shalabh. Table tennis single boys, runner-up is Lokesh Singh Rawat and winner is Ayush Kumar, AC first year. Thank you, sir. Now I will like to call Dean Academics, Professor S.B. Bajpai sir, on stage. Please, sir. Poster making competition, the runner-up is Divya Agarwal, EC third year. And the winner is Shriyali Agarwal, CS second year. Poster making competition. Runner-up is Divya Agarwal and the winner is Shriyali Agarwal. The wall painting competition, runner-up is Ashish Kumar Vishwakarma, ME first year, and the winner is Pooja Singhal, IT second year. solo dance competition, runner-up is Kshitij Tripathi, CS second year, and the winner is Deepak Singh, ME second year. Competition. The runner-up is Divyanshi, ME second year, and the winner is Saurabh Singh, ME second year. Solo song competition, the winner is Prashasti Sachan, EN fourth year. For stand-up comedy, runner-up is Azim, CS third year, and Kavish Gaur. ME second year. Second year, ME second year. Winner of stand-up comedy. Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Quiz. The winner is Kumar Shubham, CS third year. For skit, winner is Shivani Singhal. Kushagra Chaturvedi, CS third year, and Karan Kaushal. The runner-up is Kushagra Chaturvedi and Karan Kaushal. And the winner is Mayank Bahadur from AKGEC, accompanied by Ayush Mishra.
ऑडियंस आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही है, मालूम तो पड़े कि कृष्णा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज यहाँ पे आया हुआ है आज। कम ऑन यार, ऐसे नहीं होता, आवाज आनी चाहिए लड़कों की, स्पेशली जमुना पार। ओह चलो, ऑलराइट, थैंक यू सो मच। और यही एनर्जी मुझे आज आप में चाहिए, बिकॉज आपके बिना हम लोग अधूरे हैं, और अधूरापन यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि फिलहाल तुषार एंड अमृता आपके साथ है। थैंक यू सो मच, प्लीज वन मोर टाइम।
For Parliament House, the winner is Mayank Bahadur and Ayush Mishra from AKGEC. Thank you, sir. I would like to request Professor Rahul Dayal to come on the stage. CS category. Winner is Vipul Jain from RDEC. He also earned a cash prize of 1100. For LAN Gaming NFS category, runner-up is Simranjeet, ID first year. And the winner is Ankur Pandey, third year. LAN Gaming COD. For LAN Gaming COD, runner-up is Pranjal and the winner is Karan Kumar. For algorithm, the runner-up is Ankur Yadav and the winner is Ayush Agarwal. The winner of algorithm is Ayush Agarwal. For AutoCAD, runner-up is Shubham Singh Rathod and winner is Rohit Kumar. The winner of AutoCAD is Rohit Kumar. Open Book Challenge, runner-up is Akshay Grover. And the winner is Akshadeep. Bear Your Load, runner-up is Ayush and winner is Sameer Singh. And the winner is Sameer Singh. Code of Education, runner-up is Tanmay Verma. And the winner is Vijay, CS third year. RoboWar, the runner-up is Manan from ABEC. And winner is Tanmay Verma. For RoboRun, runner-up is Nuts and Bolts Om Prakash. And the winner is Ashish Bansal of AKGEC. Line follower robot, runner-up is Vishal Chaurasya, CS second year. Varun, a team from Kite. For idea presentation, runner-up is Rachit Srivastava, CS third year. Winner is Aditya Gaur. For circuit designing, runner-up is Jagat. And the winner is Ajit Sharma. Bike laser, runner-up is Sabyasachi. And the winner is Monu Kumar. For debugging, runner-up is Rachit Srivastava. And winner is Arpit Mittal. For Electromania, the runner-up is Narendra, Ian second year. And the winner is Ayush, Ian second year. For WWW, this is the website designing competition. Runner-up is Arpit Mittal. And the winner is Adit Kumar. Rags to Rich, the runner-up is Prateek Mishra, easy third year. For Hackfest, the winner is Ankur Yadav, CS third year. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. And please clap for them. They have done a lot and they have shown their talent in all the streams. They are not good in only cultural, they are equally good in sports and technical. So I hand over the mic to Amrit.